Ex-Goldman Sachs executive shifts portfolio to Bitcoin. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Show. Today's show is from a post by the Daily Hodl staff and is brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Raoul Pal, the former Europe hedge fund sales lead at Goldman Sachs, is preparing for the financial system to enter a massive world of hurt. On a recent podcast, the investment strategist and founder of Global Macro Investor and Real Vision Group predicts a 20% plunge in equities in the short term before a 3 or 4 month bounce. But in the long run, Powell expects many companies to go belly up as the coronavirus cripples multiple sectors of the economy. Powell said, "I think the balance of probabilities are that this is a much longer event in terms of the economic impact, and he thinks it's going to be the largest insolvency event in all of history." Powell believes that the incoming crisis will be so bad that it will permanently change the psyche of the next generation, saying that this is a generational change. The younger generation will look upon everything differently forever. They will look upon, with some suspicions, the pension system, which is going to fail. They're going to look across security markets in ways and think, this is just not for me. They will have different opinions on risks and savings than previous generations had. Now, to illustrate how an entire generation's attitude toward the financial systems can change, Powell says to look at millennials. Millennials, well, they've already been scared by 2000 and 2008. They really don't trust the financial system. They will reject what went before them and will embrace things that are new and different than before. To protect himself from the aftershocks of the coronavirus pandemic, Powell reveals that he is shifting a significant portion of his wealth into Bitcoin, stating that of the liquid net cash he has available, the allocation that he wants to be in for the next 12 months, maybe longer, is 25% Bitcoin, 25% gold, 25% cash, and 25% trading opportunity. So how about you? Do you agree with Raoul Pal or do you disagree? Well, share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy these episodes that I produce for you, please take a moment and subscribe to the show at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode of this show every weekday. Maybe leave me a great review while you're subscribing. Now, let me tell you about my sponsor, Swan Bitcoin. Swan is Bitcoin investing made easy. Buy automatically every week, every month, or every paycheck, starting with as little as $5. You see, timing the market is hard, and Swan savings options steadily convert your dollars into Bitcoin savings with dollar cost averaging. Swan is dedicated to becoming the best way to buy and invest in Bitcoin. I truly believe in Swan Bitcoin. That's why I joined them as an advisor and even own a small piece of the company. So use my affiliate link when you go to their site, and that's GaryLeland.com/Swan. You can sign up and receive $5 worth of Bitcoin today just for using my link. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Crypto Show. This is a Bitcoin Boomer production.